Today we're talking about confidential postings and why they're some of the best jobs on the site. Hi guys, it's Jen from EntertainmentCareers.Net. Now our goal is to help offer you career guidance and give you the inside scoop on how to land that next great job. Today we're talking about confidential postings and why they're some of the best jobs on the site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. Okay, let's get into it. One of the most common questions we get is, what does it mean if a posting says confidential? A confidential posting simply means that the company chooses to remain anonymous. A posting is usually listed as confidential for one of a few reasons. 1, someone is about to lose their job and the company is looking to find a replacement without tipping them off. 2, the company doesn't want to deal with the sea of applicants following up with a phone call to see if their application was received. Or 3, because we post a lot of jobs from high-profile companies and individuals. Employers want normal professionals applying to them. They don't want a fan applying to a job that they're unqualified for. We do get emails from concerned job seekers about applying to confidential postings. But just a reminder that we manually screen each posting, and we run a check on all new employers posting to the site. So while you may not know who they are, we always will, so you can feel safe applying. The reality is that a confidential posting can really be one of the better jobs that we have on the site. If you have any questions about job applications or the website that we can help answer, please email us at support@EntertainmentCareers.Net or leave a comment below. We are here to help you with your job search. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.